Right now you just practice how to select products from different methods, and how to select better hard selling products, and then upload them on ERP, edit their title, description, keywords and pictures, and save them. We will check your task daily basis. Every day we will check your task, and then we'll tell you where did you what's the mistakes, which which thing is needed to be improved, and different more improvement in your selection method, and categories in your writing, bullet points, description. So every day we will give you some suggestion about your homework. So we cannot you cannot upload products now. You don't have, maybe you have to practice first. When you are very clear about that, when you know about the rules, and that which things are not allowed, and how to better and effectively select products, and how to edit them in proper way. Then after that we will teach you to make an Excel sheet and then upload on Amazon file. Right now, for these days, maybe 1 month or maybe 2 months, you will work on these things only. Product selection, upload on ERP, and editing. Product selection is very important. You people have to learn it. Okay, I will write about the task, your daily task. This is your daily task. You have to select 120 products. You can use any method we learned today, we learned yesterday, or in previous classes. 120. Yeah, 120. 120 is not that tough because we have a Chinese group in incubator. They are working on it, and they are doing like 150 per day. And they they use the translator, and have to copy the description title from here to there. It takes more time for them. Yeah, but I think for them, they don't have to use the translator, so it would be easy for them. It would be fast. Maybe in the start, because they are not familiar with the process, it would be take much time. But later, 3 to 4 hours, 120 listing maximum. Yeah, 120 listings per day, every day, and 120 product you have to select, upload on ERP, and do editing. Edit title, description, bullet points, and pictures. And we will check that your task every day. वन ट्वेंटी ज़्यादा नहीं है. मैं अभी आपको बता रहा था कि हमारे पास इधर इनक्यूबेटर में एक चाइनीज़ टीम है, चाइनीज़ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, वो काम कर रहे हैं. वो 150 150 पर डे कर रहे हैं, और वो उनको ट्रांसलेशन की ज़रूरत पड़ती है क्योंकि इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती. तो वो ट्रांसलेटर यूज़ करते हैं, मतलब पहले टाइटल को ट्रांसलेट करेंगे चाइनीज़ में, उसको देखेंगे, उसको एडिट करेंगे, फिर उसको ट्रांसलेट करेंगे इंग्लिश में, फिर दोबारा वहाँ पे पेस्ट करेंगे। तो उनके लिए ये ज़्यादा हैक्टिक है, ज़्यादा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, लेकिन फिर भी वो कर रहे हैं, वो 150 तक करते हैं पर डे। तो आपके लिए 120 ज़्यादा नहीं है। Yeah, you have to use the software, and it's very convenient. You just needs few maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes on one listing. It won't take too much time. And your salary, we will how we will count your salary. So 120 listings per day, and if you do it perfectly, like 100%, there is no mistakes in title, there is no mistakes in picture, or there is in bullet points description, then we will provide you 20,000 per month. No, Pakistani.
Give up it just
Yeah, they're learning, so it's
Good opportunity for them.
yeah, 20,000 is not it's a good amount for them because they are learning something and they are getting paid.
how much in yuan? How much? 20?
Almost 1,000.
Oh,
Yeah, 1,000.
that's good.
Yeah. So, and 3 to 4 hours a day.
Yeah, it's good.
शुरू में अगर आप सीधा होना चाहते हैं तो 3-4 दिन फिर ऐसे ही काम कर लो, और उसके बाद हम फिर स्टार्ट करेंगे। लेकिन आप कल से ही स्टार्ट आपने करना है, कल से ही आपकी जो डेली टास्क होगा हम चेक करेंगे। अगर आपने 100% आपका काम ठीक है, वी विल पे यू 20,000 per month, and if if there is some problem, there are some mistakes, then we will obviously deduct some amount from your monthly salary, like if you completed 90% of your task, then we will provide you 90% of your salary, not 100%. If you have done 50%, then you will get the 50%, half. And 50% is the lowest one. We won't go down, like not less than 10,000 per month. And if you do more than 120 listings, like if you do 180 listing, like 150%, then we will pay you 150% of your the salary, like maybe 30,000. So it's according to your work, how much you work, we will pay you according to that. If you do more work, we will pay you more. If you %, and 10,000. Lowest. $20,000 for